Guys, welcome back to another Before the Storm channel. Today we are rolling my fenders, more specifically the rear fenders. This thing rubs hella bad. Check this out, guys. It's even starting to roll itself because of how bad I'm rubbing. I'm thinking about getting my rears rolled and trimming the fender liners. I don't really need to pull anything out because the fitment's A1, just the fender liner that's in the way that's rubbing on and this metal piece. So we'll get to that in a bit. Fenders, right?
Yeah, man.
Talk about fitment, guys. No more rub, maybe on the fender liner, but it's all good. It's a burn through. Appreciate all the help you give me, man. Bro, I got a little surprise for you, bro. I got a little surprise for you.
Oh shit! What? Dude, you didn't even tell me, man.
You know, I had to hook my boy up. Arashi merch.
Oh, snap,
I hope that
dude.
fits you. It's a large, but it's pretty big though.
Oh fuck, dude. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
appreciate
no problem.
that, dude.
No problem.
I didn't even expect that, man. Appreciate that, dude. The first time someone's actually giving me something.
Okay, got my boy Kevin Newwind pulling up. Oh shit, here we go again.
What's up?
What's good, baby?
Vlogging?
Oh, okay. Fun fact, guys, this was actually going to be my first car, a IS250. As you can see, I hit a curve right here and my lip bent in, so it's all like scuffed up right now. So that's why I'm going to be covering it up with a sticker. Yeah, hopefully I don't mess this up. Tell me, is that center? Is that center?
Hey, what's up, man?
Right here? Right there? Okay.
From what I can see.
Alright, I'm gonna trust you, Kayla.
This boy's vlogging too hard.
It's Kelly.
Kayla. There we go. Woo! Boys right now, my Asian baby boys, and we're about to do a little rev test real quick with my boy Kevin Newwind and my boy Quinn. I don't know your last name. Is it Newwind too?
Yeah.
Hey, we're with the Newwind boy. Hey, are y'all Newwind too?
Yeah.
Hey. Alright, here, you record for us.
Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Give me the shit.
Huh?
Okay. I told you this guy's fucking loud.
Way too loud.
You hear that fool's car?
I know.
He knew, bro. He knew.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, my ears are hurting right now, guys. Yo, your ears hurt, bro? What car y'all pull up in?
We got that you feel.
The PT Cruiser?
Yeah, we got this cruiser right here, you feel? It is my whip. Loudest exhaust ever. V8, you feel? Best shit ever.
What happened right here, bro? Did the whole kit your
scale
car?
damage. You know, I just got it for 3K, you feel?
We are about to head out to the UTD meet. I've never been to this meet before. It's packed and really good, I heard. So we got the whole squad here full of Lexuses. Yes, my car is a Lexus indeed. Since you guys want to make fun of my headlights all the time, but it's okay. As you can see, I got a little boo-boo. It's all good though. We're safe.
Wait first now, wait first.
Hell yeah, brother. TSX gang! Yeah! Stone, what's good, baby? What's good, baby? Hey, come here. What's good, baby? Finally got here, guys. Freaking AIDS. Dude, you almost curved your wheels on that like yellow thing.
Yeah, I know.
The drive here was badass. I didn't get to record much, but I tried to get as much as I can. On the mirrors, try something new. But we're just gonna go walk around. I don't know where Zay and everyone went, but I'll try to go find them. Oh, it feels good in here. Okay, we got more TSXs pulling up. I think that's my boy. Dang. Okay. That's you next year, bro?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you see Andrew? Where's Andrew?
I don't know.
No more race lands for sure. I know, right? No race land. Dude, look at this size skirt. Is this deal?
Huh? No.
Oh, is this that one guy where his side skirts fell off?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Damn, okay, Rex. I see you. I see you, bro. What'd you do to your car, baby? What'd you
Nothing,
do?
bro.
Show me what you
Simple
did.
stuff, you know. Coilovers.
How many fingers we got?
Oh, nothing, bro. What do you mean fingers?
Bro, this man's way lower than me. Check the rear.
Don't check the rear. Don't check the rear.
Hold on.
Check the rear. Yeah.
Hold on. Rear check. Oh my god, bro. 2 fingers.
Few fingers, you know.
What's up? Why didn't you got the rear coilovers on yet, fool?
Cause, bro, they're bitches. Look.
Did it function for him?
Yep.
Oh, this is the
Same
one I
ones.
sent you, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. That guy got a really good steal on them, $100 for the whole set. This guy's lucky he got me, or else he would have had to pay $500 for that.
Race what?
Okay. CL9 villain. This boy used to be like really slammed. Finally, I'm not the only TSX here. This guy's selling me this $20. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. I got it in my pocket. Hold on.
Hey, hold on. Hey,
What's up, bro?
I'm spraying NOS, bro.
Oh my god, this man got knots in this shit. Show him what you got.
Momo steering wheel.
Okay, baller.
My NRG. I had to get the NRG because the Sparko took 2 weeks to get here. So.
Where? Oh, that's just for now?
Yeah, I got Sparko. The freaking what's it called?
What, the quick release?
No, the
Steering wheel?
God damn it.
What is it?
Lost
What does it do?
It's what holds the seat.
Oh, brackets.
Yeah, the bracket. There you
Yeah.
go.
Oh, this man got carbon fiber? Oh, isn't that Keith's?
Yeah, I bought it off of Keith.
Yeah, I was gonna buy that from him.
But actually, I traded my A-Spec lip for it.
Oh, word?
Because I'm trying to get Euro R lip.
Uh-huh.
And,
Oh, like mine?
HPS go there. That's pretty much it. This
Dang.
was back in the days when I was stance.
Yeah, I remember. I'll put some pictures.
Yeah, put some pictures for sure.
Yeah, that's clean, bro. We're now reunited with the boys. We're gonna take a look at Mr. Zay's car. Look how low this is, y'all. That's pretty low. Got a little wide body action going on. Okay. And then we got James's car here. It's a Chaser. It's hella clean. I gotta show some love to my boy Stubbs. This little Asian man walking so fast.
I know, right?
Just so y'all know, this is the 240 Boys group chat right here. A little midget man.
They're like bubble tea.
Yeah. Wah, wah.
Oh yeah, say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Hey.
Said nothing just happened, right? So I just like started like moving over to the right a little bit.
We just got done eating, boys. Having a little mini car meet out here. This is the ARTGOD fan meetup right now. Hey, Quinn, what'd you say this looks like?
Supreme.
No, you say it looked like something else? It looked like
Oh,
Oh, okay.
7, 2, 5.
Two, do it full.
1.
Shit. Oh my god! Yo. That was a pretty good pool, bro. Yeah. Hey, do a drift right here, dog.
No. I didn't want to go full send it because it was just like, it was going off.
What the hell?
Watch out for this wheel spin. Feel that?
Hell no, bro. Oh shit. Guys, yo, we just got pulled over right now.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Get arrested. No, actually.
Oh my god.
What do you think would be a funny story?
Yo, we just got away with that, dude.
They should recording me like doing the wheel spins, like all that stuff. They should recording me.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, I'm just gonna
Dude.
say like I got a ticket here.
All right, yeah. You got one?
All right, boys. Ticket.
They gave me a ticket too, bro.
Just kidding.
I didn't have my seatbelt on.
No way.
Yeah.
Did you?
No, I didn't have my seatbelt on.
No, man, like, would you actually get a ticket?
I got a ticket, yeah.
Here's the ticket. What'd you get a ticket for?
I didn't have my seatbelt on.
Bruh.
Did y'all see it? You see him?
No, they just got out
Oh.
now.
Like the cops sounded pissed, but I wasn't gonna say anything else. I was gonna keep quiet.
He
so,
was
like,
scared. He about to cry.
yeah, like you saw me pulling this out, like you thought it was a ticket, but it's,
Ah!
Yeah, I was
We
looking
got
at it
him.
earlier. I was like, wait a second.
it's just a receipt for like we're dropping off a package at UPS.
Yeah, I was looking at it at first, but then he said he got a seatbelt ticket. I was like, wait.
We punked you guys. Yeah, we planned to pull over and everything.
Yeah, you playing the cops there.
Yeah, we called him. We called him.
Radar detector was going off, but I kind of ignored it because like it was like a weak signal, so I thought he was still far
Where was
away.
he though?
Huh?
Where was he?
He was probably like somewhere like heading this way, opposing traffic. So.
Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Today was a really fun day hanging out with the Asian baby boy and girl gang. If you guys like the videos, subscribe and like. Otherwise, we're gonna see y'all later. Peace out, boys. Hey!